good morning. Welcome back to another week vlog with Elsutra Essentials. My name is Bokisa Aliyu. I just woke up. Let's go take a shower first, then we continue with this vlog. Just wanted to share this with you guys. This is something I've been gifted and I love this scrub and it's almost finished. I love it. It's coffee. It is so good. It is so good. I cannot ask for more when it comes to body and face scrub. Like, it says for body, but I also use it for my face. I just don't use too much of the exfoliants inside of it, but it is so good. Like, it is so smooth. So the only way you can have Ramla to nap is if you drove her in the car. Even if she come back from school, she will not nap. It's only when you're driving that she will get to be like, I'm tired, I want to sleep. And I'll be like, go ahead, look at her. I'm taking them to their babysitter. Yeah, just a little announcement. We are going to be having a guest in the house. My niece is coming from the US. Yep. Is this chicken? Is this chicken right here? I don't say me chicken either. Is it chicken? Yeah, some magana rayimo wannan. I think she's speaking Chinese or something.
I'm not sure if Magana took him or she's just seeking a nursery rhyme.
Okay everyone, it's dinner time. So I just got into the kitchen to make dinner because we had a guest already. So most of the time I like cooking in bulk and just keep it in the fridge, so that most of the time, because when we go out we'll be eating out. So, and we will be taking her out a little bit just to explore Toronto before she leaves. So I just like stocking my fridge with food so that in case when we come back and we're tired or something like that and we all the time have food to eat. So this is my jollof rice. I baked chicken. I also baked some fish. I did meat pie. What again? I think that was all. So here's the finishing results. And dinner is ready. Yeah, so that's the rice, the chicken, the meat pie, the salad, and the fish. My favorite here is the salad. It was so good. The lettuce was an organic lettuce. It comes with the roots already, so it's gonna stay in the fridge for a longer time, and if you want to, you can replant it. Yeah. So today is Friday and we're heading to the Masjid, and this area has a lot of worshiping places. Like the Masjid is just opposite a church. Was it opposite or behind a church? And then there was another temple just right across. So there were so many worshiping places here. It is in Mississauga, and here we are going to the Masjid to pray. So I got Rahima from her dad, and that was the men's section. The masjid was under construction, so it's not fully functional. And that's the ladies section, and here we are. We came a little bit early, so we're just doing some nafilas before the prayer time begins, so there was no much people in the masjid right now. Okay guys, so now we are on our way to go to Von Mills, and we're gonna take her to do some shopping. So we're looking to get her some jackets that are made in Canada, so at least she can have something made in Canada. And so we decided to stop by the masjid to pray I think Asr prayer before we head to the mall. And then after prayers we also going to be stopping by to eat lunch, because we haven't ate lunch. So here we are at the Islamic Society of Von Mills of Bonn, and this is their masjid. And here is Oz's Burgers. They have amazing burgers, sandwiches, fries, chicken tenders. I wasn't that hungry, but my hubby insisted that we have to eat before heading to the mall, because most of the time when you go to the mall you get stuck and you'll be hungry. So we decided to stay here and just grab some burgers. It's halal. They have 2 branches in Vaughn's and in Mississauga, I believe. Yeah.
One number.
Thank you.
I'm glad you did that. No, I think I'm supposed to eat like this.
No, I believe you again. Oh, go back.
Let me take like this. It's too loaded.
Beri dekat dia kancing.
Okay, okay. Guess how much is this? 250? Is that what I'm saying?
1,250
1250.
for this small
You
jacket.
gotta chain them, put all the price tag.
Hold on. It's not one. No one now. How much is that one?
This is 1,100, 1,100, almost $1,200.
So wacce ma ta fi tsada
Wannan ta
kenan?
fi tsada karama.
The small one is more expensive. Look at how they change
I
them.
wonder how much those bags are da suka yi freezing yanzu.
Ji wannan ma ta yi kyau. I'm sure it's expensive. So wannan ma is cheap. It's $400. Yeah? Yeah, dama su Liberton kan za su kai haka.
2,195.
One is $1,295. The small one, the big one is $2,000. This one also $1,012. 5% off. So, yeah, these are 1,580. So it has 55% saving. It comes down to 709. That is how the brown one looks and the white one. So
So before heading to Toronto Sign, we stopped by at this ice cream place to grab some. Their ice cream is amazing, 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 guys. Like, the cone is everything, even the creamy one. Last time we came, I grabbed the mango, and even this time I'm still taking the same flavor. It's just, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, you can eat the cone. The cone is the dough. It is made right in the front of you.
so they have them over there on the wall. Sai su ɗauko su gasa shi. So in ya gama gasuwa ne za su yi cutting ɗin shi. And then sai su sa ice cream there a ciki. But usually the ice cream will stand melting faster because abin will be hot already. Yeah, they never how much is Get it, bruh. Look, it's bruh. Looks that I caught it. That's mine, coconut. See, it's coconut. That one is, I think it's sugar and cinnamon. What am I adding? Yo, look at that.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Alrighty, let's go. Trafficking mutane ne ba ma na cars ba.
It's the game.
Yeah. here. Rahima. Rahima, look here. Say hi. Rahima. Jangan lagi tashi kwance kasa. Rahima. Okay.
So, my beautiful people, this is Toronto sign. This is in the middle of Toronto downtown. I think in some of my vlogs I showed this where these people are skating. Is usually fountain during summertime, and in the winter time they freeze it, they make it into a skating rink. So it's just free for the public to just come in and skate with your children and just have fun and feel the spirit of the holidays. It's just an amazing experience. It was so cold, but we really enjoyed our outing, coming out, especially with the kids, because usually during winter it's less going out and staying indoors. But we are happy and excited to be here. And I'm going to be showing you in my next vlog what we did. Another activity, we went to Casa Loma and how they changed it. If you could remember from my birthday vlog that we went to Casa Loma, I told you every season they changed the house into a different seasonal future. So this time around they changed it into holiday season decorations and everything. I can't wait for you guys to see the vlog. It's just incredible. I couldn't made it all together with this one because I don't want it to be too long, but guys, just wait for my next vlog. And yeah, I believe this is going to be the end of this one. They are just cleaning the ring out, so they had everyone comes out because they need to clean it so people won't be falling down. It is amazing and incredible. Thank you so much guys for joining in, for tuning in to watch my videos all the time. Have a blessed holiday. Bye.